Assalamu alaikum, my course teacher. On behalf of my group, I would like to warmly welcome you to our presentation on empowering children's education. Innovative solutions for a brighter future. Education is the foundation of every child's development, and in today's world, it's more important than ever to equip children with the tools they need to thrive. Our presentation will explore why focusing on children's education is vital, how technology plays a role, and who the key stakeholders are in this mission. Before I begin, let me introduce our team members. Abida Sultana. Firstly, I introduce myself, Abida Sultana, 412203000563. Second, Mariam Binte Tauhid, Sadia Islam Oni, Sharmin Akhtar, and Kanij Kobita. We have, uh, we have, and each of us has worked together to research and prepare this topic from various angles. Today, we will each take turns presenting different sections of our work. To begin, let's consider why children's education deserves special attention. Education is a fundamental right for every child and a powerful tool to break the cycle of poverty. There's some global impact. Education is a fundamental human right, and there are some challenges, and these are inaccessible education in remote areas, outdated, outdated learning materials, lack of personalized learning, and there's some opportunity. Technology can transform the educational landscape. There's some role of software in education, and these are interactive learning platform, gamifications and engagement tools, adaptive learning algorithms, real-time analytics for teachers, access to global educational resources. There's target audience and stakeholders. This app is users for primary users, children aged 5 to 14. There's some stakeholders like parents, teachers, schools and NGOs, government bodies, and developers and designers. Thank you. This all for my side. Now I am calling my another speaker. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Maribinta Tawhid. My ID is 564. Today I'll be talking about key goals of educational software, case study, and core features to develop. At first, let's reflect on key goals that drive our development. Accessibility is our top priority. We want to reach all children regardless of where they live or their socio-economic background. Personalization allows the content to adjust to each child's unique learning pace and style, making education more effective. Engagement is crucial. By making learning enjoyable, we increase retention and participation. Feedback and progress tracking help inform both teachers and parents, enabling them to support the learner more effectively. Lastly, we emphasize safety and data privacy. Protecting children in digital environments is non negotiable. Together, these goals guide the design and development of meaningful child centric educational technology. Then, to see these features in actions, let's look at a case study Khan Academy Kids and Duolingo ABC. These platforms have successfully implemented many of the features we aspire to include. They offer free access, making learning more equitable. Their use of gamified learning keeps children engaged and motivated. Progress tracking allows both students and teachers to monitor growth over time. They also support multiple languages, showing how multilanguage support can empower children from different communities. And importantly, they provide parental dashboards, ensuring parents are part of their child's learning journey. These examples show us that our goals are achievable and impactful. Then, lastly, let's discuss the core features we aim to develop for our educational software. These features are not just technical enhancements, they are tools designed to full support inclusive, effective learning experiences. First, we have gamification, which incorporates badges, points, and rewards to make learning fun and motivating for children. Next is offline mode, which ensures accessibility in low bandwidth or rural areas, a crucial step in bridging the digital divide. Voice narration supports pre-literate users, making learning more accessible to young children who are still developing reading skills. Multilingual support is key for inclusivity, allowing children for diverse linguistic background to engage with the content in their native language. Will also include interactive quizzes to reinforce learning through active participation. Finally, the AI tutoring assistant will personalize content adapting to each child's needs and pace, which brings us to our next point, personalization. So, these are all from my side. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sharmin Akhtar Shapna. My ID is 354. Today I will talking about tech stack overview. Our tech stack is modern and flexible. For the front end, we use Flutter and React Native. The backend is powered by Node.js, Firebase, and Python. We use Firestore and PostgreSQL for database. For AI, we integrate TensorFlow, Lite, and OpenAI's API. Development roadmap. We're building our platform for three key phases. Phase 1, focus and essentially math and reading modules, offline access and base parents dashboard. Phase 2, add smarter features like AI driven tutoring, community interaction, and multilingual support. Phase 3 explores advanced options such as AR, VR learning, data insights for school, and partnership with NGO and government. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kanij Kobita. My ID is 4121020010. My topic is ethical considerations. First, we take ethical considerations seriously. We follow COPPA and GDPR to protect children's data, promote healthy screen time, avoid cultural bias, and ensure secure communication. Next, we are building strong partnerships with global groups like UNICEF and UNESCO, local education ministries, NGOs, and telecom providers to expand access. Our scalability strategy uses cloud tech and community created content to grow in sustainable way. Lastly, we will measure success through key KPIs like the number of active users, learning improvement, app users over time, satisfaction from parents and teachers, and our reach in both urban and rural areas. Together, these steps help us build a safe, scalable, and effective learning platform for children everywhere. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadi Samani and my ID is 100. Today I'm going to talk about the remaining topic of our project that are risk and mitigation, call to action, impact and future scopes. So firstly, the risk and mitigation. As with any meaningful project, challenges exist. We have prepared strategies to tackle them. Using gamification to boost engagement, enabling offline access for connectivity issues, ensuring data safety through encryption and parental controls, and creating culturally relevant content for diverse audiences. Next is call to action. We believe in empowering the next generation, and we can't do it alone. We are actively seeking passionate development collaborators, creative designers, committed funding partners, and supportive schools and educators to join us in shaping the initiative. Lastly, the impact and future scope. Our project aims to make a lasting impact by equipping children with essential coding and problem-solving skills. This isn't just about learning tech, it's about building confidence, creativity, and future readiness. As we grow, we envision expanding to more regions, supporting multiple languages, and integrating AI tools and real world projects to deepen learning. Our ultimate goal is to foster a global network of young minds ready to innovate, collaborate, and lead the future. This is all about my part. I'm going to finish the presentation with a meaningful end. Thank you for your precious time.